Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are, foreign, nearing, yard, greetings. Miss Spots again, coming to you with another episode on the topic of crime. We're getting there. Now this is episode 3, and as I mentioned, it's 5 episodes. It may be 6, who knows, but we'll see. But anyway, we want to continue, and as me say, I hope if I have one person can get something out of this is what it's all about. Trying to help with my country and my people, help with the crime. And, please, you guys listen. Tell a friend, and a friend tell another friend and stuff like that. Subscribe. And, remember, always put on a comment. But listen, nobody come with the negativity. Because, guess what? I'm not going to respond to that. So nobody try that. This is something where we tell us we want to work together. We're working at a goal where we want to know we country now have to underseen by with the gunman them control. We don't want that. We don't want them at the control. So we all work together to see what we can come up with, and that's why me always call name of mothers, fathers, the family, because we all work together, right? So that is where it's all about. So we'll continue upon the topic, and we'll touch a little part on this talk, and is how these young guys try to go into the bigger cities when them can really stay a country according to them country and make a better life. Because once them leave out of those areas and them head for the city, them not going to the city for better them life. Them they go for far more gang. So we don't want that to continue. So what me they try to tell uno gunman, so uno listen up. Nobody go squeeze up in the city. When uno know say uno grandparents have whole heap of land a country where uno can go work on the land. And that's what uno need to do, Uno grandparents have a whole heap of land where they waste. And uno run Ghana, Kingston, or uno gone in a Montego Bay because uno want to join gang. No, you don't have to do that. Go and go farm the land. My grandpa always say, devil find work for idle man. And the whole of uno a idler. And after uno turn idler, uno end up turn gunman. And none of that we want for our country because we want back with sweet Jamaica. So, what me da advise you to do is go and go farm the land, man. Go and go farm the land. Take no money and buy goat and cow and pig and chicken. And that's what you do. Because uno no want to no hand to get dirty. Uno no want get dirty. Uno no want go in the dirt. But let me tell you something. Your hand can dirtier than when you kill somebody. Okay? When you murder somebody, your hand dirty. When you plant sitting in the dirt and you go dig it up, your hand get dirty. But you can't wash it off. But when you kill somebody, you can't wash off your hand, boss. You simply can't do that. So think about that. You know, for use your brain, man. Use your brain. There's a lot you can do. Better stuff. For instance, Jamaica, they buy water and ice from abroad. Ice of all the things, ice to rot it. All you can do, You said gunman, gangster, You decide, say, watch out. More tap kill people and we have some money. You buy a couple deep freeze. And we no go and put some container in there and freeze and start sell ice. And as you get bigger and bigger, you know what else you do? You buy a bigger container. And you find yourself there, not in just one parish, they sell ice all over Jamaica. Right, they saw money because Jamaica, they have all kind of party and all kind of this, they happen and people want ice. So right, they saw you can put self to use instead of did the fire gun. You can't do that, man. Because I know everybody make fee in office, I know everybody make fee in office. And now make the crime is too much. It is too much. It's running away our people from home because there's more Jamaicans living abroad than in Jamaica. And there are Jamaicans abroad who want to come home and afraid. They're afraid of Me have a friend and she keep every time she come down, she talks and she afraid and boy, me no want them kill me and me no want me. And me have to raise her up and tell her to cut the bull crap. But she just have this in her head all the time. This is what will happen. So she come to spend a couple weeks. And the day she go back to the airport, she start to jump up in the airport, they ball, somebody thief her purse. Nobody never thief her purse, no in her hand. But she is afraid. She's afraid of her own people and her own country. And that should not happen. That shouldn't happen. Whole heap of people afraid. Whole heap of people no want to go down there. And there are those who go and decide, say, boy, them go try something and then get scared and then left. So you now make it good for yourself. Right there, so you own one, come home, come invest. People got foreign go do hard work, As some dirty hard work people got America go do, As some hard work people come to Canada, go to Canada go do, because guess what? The cold weather, the America know the same thing with the Canada. And when people have to work in them, the cold weather there, and tell themselves, boy, me just want to make enough money and go home. And go build up my little piece of house for my land and yard. And Uno just come and kill them cold-bloodedly. Come on, man. Uno have to go cut them shit there out, man. Uno have to just dash on a gun, cease fire, carry gal and go get the police. No can't they do that. We own North America done. That is what me they see. It done. So more and more Jamaicans want to come home. But instead of that, then they think we go move, go to Europe, go to other Caribbean island and then where they, and a lot of them they go to Africa. Them say them feel safer than them there Jamaica. And that is a damn shame. That uno so damn stupid. The tourists them come then and they don't have a problem. But we kill our own. That is how dumb you all are. Drop on a gun, man. Drop on a gun. Because if we don't continue with this killing, we don't end up look like a Yeti. And guess what? It ain't gonna work out. Because, the Prime Minister have this idea where he want Jamaicans abroad to come home, come invest. He need to get it in a damn big head that people not invest in a crime-ridden country. Okay? Nobody now take them the chance because they don't want to lose their life. And that is what our own people are afraid of. They're afraid of losing their life because of guys like you. So you need to stop do this damn shit. That's why you no gun. Go and go pick up one book and read. Go and go read one book because the whole of you no dunce. If you know a damn dunce, you no want fire gun. Because they not get nothing out of it, Because if you even get a little job to kill somebody, and you get the little money, as you get the money, guess what? You take it, go buy some clothes and go get your little dirty, ugly dolly girl. So what is sense? You just a waste no time, man. You just a waste no time. I mean, people work so hard for it. I want to come home, come enjoy them country, enjoy the beach and the nice sunshine. And you no just did it, they wait to kill them for no reason. You no wicked. You no wicked. Innocent people. And then, once a family member go home to start something and them get killed, the other family them nah come. Them nah come. And if they will even start up a business, them get rid of it. And that's it. And that said business would help uno said dirty gunman. Because guess what? Once the person open the business and it's thriving, they're gonna hire people. Uno look into that, no boss. Uno look into that. Me want back me sweet Jamaica. Whole pa we want it back. I just uno in the way. And we need enough ceasefire, man. Make Jamaica be free of crime. None of this killing business. It's about time we get rid of that. And another thing what we do. You have these people in the community who just, me not even know what wrong we do not to rati judge. As me say, the common sense gone. We don't have a way where you see a new person coming in your community. And that new person come and him nice and he talk to everybody. And the lad is nice. He's a nice guy, you know. He just moved come in the other day and he's nice man. He talk to everybody. He's a very nice person. Uno no know nothing about him. Uno no know nothing. Uno no know why he come in the community. But all uno just think him nice. Listen. I run him the run, you know. I run in the run from same thing. So guess what happened? One day the police just come and decide, say, then come for him. And guess what? Then kill him. And who start to jump. Oh, Jesus, the man such a nice man. He know everybody and he nice. Uno no know nothing about him. What him tell you is what him tell you for who no believe. Because I running the run from city, why him coming in the community. Uno never think about that. So when him come, he have to be nice, you know. He can't come there as a gunman and start to kill people because he come in to live. So he have to show up himself saying nice. So whether the police come to kill him or another gunman come to kill him, it is a reason. It is a reason. He is running, he is hiding. He is making you think he is a nice person. And at the same time, him they try make you think him nice. And uno no nice either. Uno are wicked people. So why uno no know? Shut uno trap. Shut uno trap. Protect your community. Be wise. Don't be that simple. Because nobody no just come in your community and just bow in just nice so. Not no go so. Uno fi use uno brain. Because why him come fi do, you know? I hide and then start the next gang. Maybe start for him own. And uno not think them the same thing there. And what that do? Pull down the country. He just pull the country lower and lower and lower. So we don't want that. We want people who want to have a better life. So when someone uno get clapped with, it's sad. But it's always a reason because police not come for innocent people. Them come for people who do wrongs. That's how it go. So when all of uno girl get up there, they ball and me man, and uno kill him and in this and in that and in that left him pitney and in something. When they shoot and they kill people, they know saying have pitney, they have him pitney for live for. But uno not think about that. And that uno think about, you know. Don't think about that. They are just idlers, useless to the country and the community, useless to the family, and that is not what people want. Let me tell you something. We can do way better than what we're doing. We can do way better because we as a country, what we do, we depend on tourism too much. We depend on it just too much. Because, for instance, we have COVID. What if COVID had continued for all 2 years straight? Everybody dead for hunger, drop dead. Because we should not make tourism be the thing. It should be agriculture. Agriculture should be the thing. We have the land. Things grow fast. We should not be hungry. We should not be buy certain things. We have so much fruit trees in Jamaica, so much different species. We should have factory. They can them the same thing there and export it. And in that way, the young people we get job. And them there's something that should have happen to occupy them time. Them send gunman, who no gunman. Who no want to go take no money up factory. I employ who own a gangster them. Who no think that they do better for no self, for no community, for no family and the country. And that you no need for do man. Because if we really catch to 80 stage, we done. Because nobody now go come there. No tourists now go come. And me have friends and family always they tell me say, boy, we see news say in Canada and America, then they advise the Canadians or the Americans not to go to Jamaica and then name out this and that you're gonna be killed. It's so shameful, and that's how they feel when they see those news. All because of Uno. Because why do they get out of this killing? Why do they get out of it? Uno tell me why do they get out of it? Uno need to stop it, man. Uno need to cut it out. I mean, you're 20 years old and you're on the most wanted list. 20 years old, you're just a baby. You're just a baby. You're 20. And you may even have a little kid. You go get dead at 20 years old. What a waste. What a waste. Think of your little kid or your kid gonna need a dad. My God, there's got to be another way. Look, if you say you're a bad man at age 20, I mean, no, say if the police catch you and him say, me they carry go down a slaughterhouse and him give you a knife and say you see them two goat there, cut off their neck and skin them. You can't do it, you start to bawl because you're afraid. So how the hell you they take gun, they fire, they kill people? How you they just kill people just so? But yet you would be afraid to kill a goat? You no need to cut that out, man. You no need to cut that out. It's not necessary. I do not see the reason for a young guy to wake up and tell himself, say, why, me do some killing today. How do you feel? There is no reward, my friend. The little money where you get to kill this somebody don't done in a couple of days. You don't buy some food and yam it, you don't shit it out. There is nothing in it. There is nothing you're getting from it. So just stop the killing, Aya. Stop fire the gun. And another thing, uno get the gun them coming out the country, but me know say uno not get enough bullets for last another long time there. So where uno they get them the bullet there? Me don't really like to know. Me don't like to know who they selling under them the bullet there. Because something now sound right and look good. Something is definitely off. And we want back with sweet Jamaica, but uno gunman standing in the way. So guess what? Get out of the way. Go and go fix your life and let the country run good. Uno standing in the way. And we want uno family to deal with uno and tell uno to tap. Uno need to cease fire, dash where the dirty iron and make a better life for uno self. Because this now put uno away. Why you choose for dead this young? Tell me. Why you choose to dead this young? Why you left your house tomorrow morning and say you don't kill a couple people? You know, say, I you own a debt you set up right there, so. So you just say, what? Me no care. They can't kill me. Me at 20, so who cares? I know so you have to run your life, boss. You have to make changes. So we want to see some changes. And in the episode 2, me tell you know what to do. And this episode, as me say, go and go farm the land. Go and go sell ice, buy a freezer, and start put water and make it freeze turn high so you can sell it. That's my idea. And you no in and no trouble and you don't get good money. Not dirty money. Clean money for your hard labor. Then when time you all kill somebody and take their money. So, me hope you see some, you get something out of this. Me just hope. So with that being said, you go and walk good, take care of yourself. My spots out.